Hi everyone, we're here today at Ross Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross. There is Roosevelt Street sa Tulik because tonight we'll be having our Korean BB Glow with BB Blush, and this cost 1,499 pesos. So once again, I'd like to thank Axel Ross for sponsoring this session once again. So later on, we'll be showing you the before and after effect of the Korean BB Glow with BB Blush.
Yeah. Again. Yeah. Fuck a nigga with a high top. I been fucking on your bitch, nigga, why stop? I'ma beat your blood out into the white spot. Nigga, fuck your bitch and make her cream, I hit the right spot. Play with me, I feel like Lucky, nigga, why not? Fell asleep with the safety off and woke up in a spittle. Finna beat her from the back and make it instrumental. Stuff my dick deep down in her mouth and fucked up on her dental. Put a 45 into his back, he look like Donovan Mitchell. Why all the thick bitches fashions finna check credentials, bitch? How old you really is? She said I don't got the strap, but they really do. I be chillin' with my dog, he like school. I wish I could make all of these moments and vibrate. You are like surge in the gunplay, surge in the pillow talk, surge in the sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, crash humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the black dippers as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for damn, would you rather? No flame, the dull and no shame.
Talking them up about the things they do so well, but I'd rather find a boy who is down for the chase, putting in the time that it takes to be fly as a mother.
Hello everyone! So, muna ni ang result. So, if you can see, naanadayon siya instant effects after the Korean BB Glow and BB Blush. Naanay tay pinkish na cheeks. So, once again, naatay Korean BB Glow and BB Blush available for 1,499 pesos. There is a Ross Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross. And if you want instant results na pagka-fresh ang inyong skin, mo na ang effect sa Korean BB Glow and then sa BB Blush, makita po mo na mo pinkish na inyong cheeks. So if you also notice, bago patagi combi brows, which is micro shading and micro blading siya in one. So kani siya, it's still on the healing process. So if you can see na, pa yung mga parts na tangtang na yung uban parts na samad pa siya. Because once again, it's still healing. So it will take around 2 to 3 weeks for it to be fully healed. So once again, for my brows and for my face tonight, thank you so much, Ross Skin Aesthetics by Axel Ross.